Hello friends, in this video I will be going to discuss on banned drug in India. So mostly the drugs are banned because of their major side effects. So let's see what are the which type of the drugs or several drugs that I am going to discuss in this video. So these drugs are banned in India. So let's see why drugs are banned in India because or any drugs which is having the side effects. Okay, means every drugs in the every ban of the drugs is having the reason for banning. Okay, so let's I will discussing here the few examples the drugs which has been banned in India. So let's start with first, drugs banned because of they are having the side effects or the reasons. Okay, so that's why the drugs are banned. Okay, let's see first drug we will have to discuss here, that is the analgin. Okay, analgin is nothing but the another name methimazole. Analgin is the methimazole, and initially it will be used as a painkiller. But major side effect of analgin, which is the bone marrow depression, which is the bone marrow depressions, and that's why these drugs has been banned. That's why these drugs have been banned in India. Okay, then second drug we can see second drug, that is the cispride. That is the cispride. Basically, this cispride drugs which will be used for the acidity. You can see acidity as well as the in the condition of constipation. But the major side effect of cispride, which is the irregular heartbeat, you can see here irregular heartbeats, and hence due to the major reasons, it will be affect to heart, and it will be having the irregular heartbeats, and that's why this drugs has been banned. Then second drugs, which is the dorperidol. Okay, so this is the antidepressant drug. Dorperidol is used as antidepressant, and as well as it will be having the major side effect, which is the irregular heartbeats. So that's why these drugs has been banned in the market. Then another drug which is the flurazolidine. Okay, so these puridoxine drugs, it will be used in the as a antidiarrheal or the in the diarrhea condition, but it having the major side effect that drugs furazolidine which can cause the cancer, and hence this drug is banned. Okay, so this is the reason to ban the furazolidine drugs. Then there is another drugs which is the nimesulide. You know very well about that. The nimesulide generally used in India, but this drug is banned because it will be used as a painkiller. This nimesulide is used as a painkiller as well as in the condition of the fever, but it will be cause the liver failure. These drugs will be cause the liver failure, and hence this nimesulide is banned. Okay, this is the major reason behind the banning these drugs. Okay, so this nimesulide is banned due to the liver failure. Then next drug, which is the nitrofurazone. The nitrofurazone, basically this nitrofurazone is the antibacterial drugs. Means it will be used in the bacterial infection. So these drugs will be useful to the infectious disease, but it is having the major side effect or the reason of the ban these drugs nitrofurazone, which can cause the cancer, and hence that drugs has been banned. Next drugs, which is the phenolphthalein. Okay, phenolphthalein initially it will be used as a laxative, but it's having the major side effects. The cancer, it can cause the cancer, and that's why these drugs phenolphthalein is banned. Okay, so this is the major reason behind the drugs why the drugs are banned, because of it is having the side effect, major side effects. Okay, then we'll see the phenylpropanamine. Phenylpropanolamine. Okay, so these drugs will be used in the condition of cough and cold. Okay, so these drugs will be useful for the cough and cold, but it can cause the stroke. Okay, side effect of this phenylpropamine, which can cause the stroke, and hence this drug is banned. Then another drug which is the oxyphenobutazone. Okay, oxyphenobutazone, it is generally NSAID drugs, and that oxyphenazoles which will be used as a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. But these drugs can cause the bone marrow depression. These drugs will be cause the bone marrow depression, and that's why these drugs has been banned. Then piperazine. Then piperazine, it will be used in the anti-worm, okay, to killing the worms. So the property of the piperazine will be the anti-worm activity, but that piperazine can damage the nerve. Piperazine can damage the nerves, and that's why this drugs has been banned. Okay, this is the major reason behind the banning the drugs. Then another drugs which is the quinidochlor, quinidochlors. You people are aware about that interoquinols, and mostly nowadays also it will be used as a antidiarrheal in the diarrheal conditions. But these drugs can cause the, it will be damage the site. Okay, it will be damage the site, and hence these drugs has been banned. Okay, so this is the major side effect of the quinidochlor, and you have been aware about that brand which is the interquinol. Okay, so this drug is also banned. Then another one, Practalol, which can be useful in the cardiac arrhythmia. This drugs is useful in the cardiac arrhythmia, but major side effect of that drugs which can damage, which can disturb the lacrimal gland, and that's why it will be having the destruction to the lacrimal glands. Hence this Proctalol is banned to prescribe in India. Then another drug which is the methaqualone. Another drug which is the methaqualone. Basically, it will be used as a sedative as well as CNS depressant. Okay. It will be used as sedative and CNS depressant drugs, and it will be having the effect like a major side effect which can having the renal insufficiency. And also these drugs, methaqualone, also can cause the coma to the patient, and it may be lead to the death of that patient. And hence this methaqualone is banned. And last drugs which is the fenfluramine. Fenfluramine. So you can see this image, means these drugs will be useful as a anti-obesity drugs, but this drug is having the major side effect which can cause the cardiotoxicity, and hence these are some of the drugs has been banned in India. There are n number of the list of the drugs banned in India, so it will be available on the government website or CDSC website. You can download it from it. So these are the few important drugs which has been banned, and I have discussed over here about their why these drugs have banned, means the major reason behind the banning of the drugs. So this is the important point, because you should know and you people must be aware about the which drugs are banned in India, because it can cause the serious health effect, ill effect, or it may be cause the cancer. You can have seen the liver failure also can cause due to the drugs, and hence you must know, you must have to attention on the drugs banned drug in India as well as in the world. So here I am stopping here. This is all about for today's session. So in the next video I will come with the new topic. Thank you so much for the listening this video.